Hi, today we're going to create a landing page in Jumplead. Landing pages are created and managed in the conversion section, where you'll also find conversion flows that allow you to create and manage multi-step embedded website forms and overlays. So here we are on the main page for landing pages, and we can see an overview of landing page activity for the past 30 days. It's worth mentioning that in Jumplead, landing pages can have multiple steps, so you can break large forms down to make them more manageable. You can add a thank you page or trigger an overlay, creating a flow sequence. In fact, Jumplead landing pages have all of the functionality of conversion flows, but are published to a URL rather than being embedded in your website. To get started, the first thing we'll do is to add a goal group. Goal groups are handy for keeping your landing pages organized, allowing you to keep similar or related campaigns and pages together. With our goal group ready, we can start adding landing pages. First, we'll give our landing page a name and description, making it easy for us to find it again in the future. You can choose which domain you wish to add your landing page to from those you have added as custom domains, or you can use the default domain for your account. Next, we'll add our landing page. We're going to give it its own name and choose whether we want to use the landing page builder or to code our own. We're going to choose the landing page builder as it's a completely drag and drop visual editor that gives us complete control over the design. When we choose to use the landing page builder, we have the choice of making progressive profiling fields visible on the page. These are great for profiling leads across multiple landing pages and forms. We'll go into more detail on progressive profiling in another video. Now we get to the fun part. You can either choose from a range of page design templates to use as a starting point in the Designs tab, or if you've saved any previous pages you've worked on as a template, they'll be available in the My Designs tab. I'm going to choose a nice basic design for a download offer. Inside the editor, you can preview your design in desktop, tablet and mobile screen sizes. You can also toggle grid lines to help you visualize the page structure. You can go full screen and undo or redo page changes if you get stuck. In the right hand column, you can switch between the Style Manager when editing a particular page component and the Page Blocks menu, which gives you access to components to use when building your landing page. In the Page Blocks menu, there are text, image, button and video options in the General section. Content sections contains a range of pre-built page sections to speed up your landing page prototyping. Form sections include a range of form designs to choose from. Privacy consents are the tick boxes to allow you to capture explicit consent from your contacts to receive different communications from you. You can add and manage these in the settings for the contact section, and they become available here automatically. Contact form fields are the custom contact fields that you've added within the settings in the contact section. They're also available automatically, and they populate information into your contact's profile page. There's also a range of general form fields. Clicking on a page element makes its settings available in the right-hand column, with the ability to manage all style attributes from fonts and text alignment to dimensions and any style decoration such as border radius, background color and image, etc. Double-clicking an image in the page gives you access to other images via the Asset Manager, along with the ability to upload any images you wish to use. Double-clicking text gives you an inline text editing menu with the option to make text bold, italic, underline, struck through, or to add a link. Clicking on a button in the page gives you a range of options in the right-hand menu, including the button size, colour, text and width, etc. Input field placeholders are also edited in the right-hand menu. All in all, you have complete control of your page design. Once you are happy with your page, Clicking the Next button in the Setup wizard saves your design and moves you on to the customization step. This gives you access to the head tag of your landing page and can be used for adding tracking pixels, Google font code, OG image details, or any other elements you wish to make available in the page. The next step allows you to add an automation that is fired when the page form is completed. From here, you might start an email autoresponder sequence, add a tag to your contact, or change the lead stage, etc. Clicking Next again will take you to the confirmation step, where you can preview your page and the setup details. Clicking Save will take you to the overview of your new landing page. This is where the statistics for your page will be shown, and from here you can add extra steps such as redirect to another URL, a thank you page, or even an overlay. From the right-hand menu, you can also save the page as a template. You can duplicate it as a new step and then refine it in your landing page flow, or you can delete it. Steps are added by clicking the plus icon at the bottom of the steps flow list, and if we click that now, we can see that we could take our lead to another landing page, we could pop up an overlay, display a thank you message, or redirect them to another URL. There's a quick link on the right hand side of the overview page to try out your new landing page, and after you've finished testing your page, you can reset the statistics before it's promoted. That's all folks. I hope this gives you a good understanding of how to create and manage your landing pages with Jumplead. Thanks for listening.